Flying Farmers was basically formed by me and my two partners who were also brothers, Donald and Dennis. Donald and I worked together here on the farm for the last 14 years. We saw the need for drones, and we started exploring drones way back in the 2014, 2015 timeframe. The Phantom 3s came out, and from there, we always knew that there was a market and a niche for it, but until spray drones really started to take off, we kind of held off on it. But then in 2024, was our first year, and the three of us formed Flying Farmers Ag. We bought a DJI T40 to get started with, flew about 3,800 acres with it in our first year. We put a lot of investment into it here the first couple of years, and now trying to do the same thing 2026, but also with the partnership and dealership with Agri Spray Drones. We get our name spread out there, and just trying to spread the word on Flying Farmers, and still be an advocate for the technology, use of it, to help farmers with new tools in their toolbox that they may not know existed or didn't know too much about, and also try and navigate guys around the fact that we do have to do this legally as far as DFA compliance.